Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I am Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you the Universal Yums box for June. If you are not familiar with Universal Yums, this is a snack box that comes out monthly and each box will feature a different country. I think I know which country this one's for, but we're going to double check before I say. There are 3 sizes of Yum boxes that you can get. There is the regular Yum box, which is $16 a month, and that will have 5 to 7 snacks in it. There is the Yum Yum box, and it is $26 a month, and it will have 10 to 12 snacks in it. And there is also the Super Yums box. It is $41, and it will have 15 to 18 snacks in it. The one we have is the middle box. It's a $26 a month box, so it's going to have 10 to 12 snacks, and it is, like I said, just $26 a month. So let's check it out and see what's inside here.
This is what we have inside.
Let's see which country it is.
United
It
Kingdom.
is the United Kingdom. I couldn't remember. So this one is from the UK. So we're gonna have a bunch of yummy snacks from the UK.
And look at the cute stickers.
The stickers are because there's some activities on the information sheet, so you can rate your snacks how well you like them. There's a little booklet that will have a recipe in it, as well as information about the snacks that are included. And this piece of paper also has information about the country. That makes this a really fun box to go through with family, especially if you have kids in your family and you're trying to get them familiar with geography and appreciate the different parts of the world and what each country has to offer. This is a really fun thing that you guys can do together.
The booklet, you get information about the UK, you get trivia, and then of course information about all the snacks we're going to get. And
I saw a thing.
And let's see
I hope
what
it's in our
recipe
box.
we get, if there's a recipe this
Is it
month.
in the very back?
Oatmeal scones.
Ooh.
Sounds yummy. So
I love a good scone.
let's see what we have.
The first thing that we are going to try is pickled onion rings. So I'm guessing Funyuns matched with pickled potato chips.
Yep. It says Johnny's pickled onion rings, crunchy rings that taste just like pickled onions. So I like pickles. I like onions. We'll see what they like together.
It says it's crying out with flavor. Hopefully it does not make us cry.
Let's see. Oh, they're cute little rings. So this is what it looks like inside.
Oh, they are cute. They're smaller than I thought.
Doesn't smell like. Yeah, they smell like pickles.
They are pretty little.
Let's try it. That is good. It is salty. It's
Super dill pickled
very dill pickly.
in a great way.
It's kind of like a Funyun, but a little bit lighter and airier. Almost kind of like a crunchier cheese puff.
I was going to say like a cheese puff, but round.
Yes.
And pickly flavored.
These are good.
Yeah, these are great. We're going to eat those up.
Yes. Kent Crisps, lamb, and rosemary. Now, I like lamb a lot, so I am curious what these taste like.
It does say these are meatless, so there's no actual meat in this.
Right,
It's
it's
just
just a
lamb
flavor.
and rosemary flavor. There may not actually be rosemary in this, or not.
Yes, we're going to find out. It smells good. Of course, they're just regular, yummy, crisp chips. Nice, crispy looking. So those were good. I didn't get like a strong lamb flavor. I didn't even get much of a rosemary flavor. It's kind of just a savory flavored crunchy chip. What do you think?
To me, it almost has a bit of a barbecue flavor, and I'm not sure where that's coming from, but it's really yummy. I like it.
Okay.
Since we are on a chip train, we have mature cheddar and onion chips. And we have tried cheddar and onion
brand.
chips, but a different brand, so we
And
know what this should taste like.
Like, I love them.
So we're going to give these a try and see how they rate.
Yes.
So we got it open. Of course, you have your regular chips. I will say, for having so far 3 bags of chips, these are not even one bit squished.
Yeah.
They pack their boxes really well. The one time we
do.
had an issue with an item, it had just melted, I think, in the warehouse before they packed it because it was chocolate and there was other chocolate in the box and it had not melted. And they were quick to replace it and took care of us right away. So they take good care of their products and package them really well so you get them in quality condition.
So comparing these to the other cheddar onions we get at the World Market, those have a better flavor.
The other ones do.
The other ones do. These are good. They're mild chip flavor, a little bit of cheddar, a little bit of onion.
There's not much onion flavor.
Yeah, barely. So if I had to say that the other brand at World Market is way better, but these aren't bad.
If I wasn't looking for a cheddar onion chip, that's a delicious chip.
Yeah.
It's got a really good potato flavor. It does have a really good flavor. It's just not the cheddar onion flavor we're used to. So
Yes,
if we hadn't had those, these might have been these.
exactly. So next,
I don't know what this is.
This is
I think
gonna
we
be
ate all
hard.
the savory stuff and now we're down to a bunch of sweet stuff. Oh, there's some yummy stuff in here. There's still a bunch to go.
there's a bunch to go, and
Oh, what to choose?
I don't know.
I'm gonna pull out this one. This is it's a yummy banana toffee. This is similar to a toffee we get. Now we really love stuff from the UK. Our family history goes back to England. So whenever we get a chance to try something new from the UK, we do. And we have gotten a toffee at Christmas time. It's very similar looking to this, and it comes with a hammer. You whack it because you kind of
English
break it.
toffee is
Yeah.
amazing.
English toffee is amazing. And this is a yummy banana flavored English toffee. And I already can tell you it's gonna have to be whacked to get it to
Which is
oh no, it's soft. This is actually a soft kind of toffee. So it might be more of a hard caramel versus a
but once it gets soft,
Yeah.
I mean, their toffees, whether you crack them because they're crunchy or they're soft, have all been amazing and
I
buttery.
cannot wait. I can kind of smell banana. And these are kind of sectioned into squares, so I'm gonna pull one off.
And we're gonna try to
And
share
we're
one.
gonna lay this on a table or plate and cut
Wait.
it. This one, we worked really hard to get a piece of it off. It is a firm toffee
Yeah.
texture, but not hard like Werther's, so somewhere in between. So we're gonna give this one a try. It was tasty. You have to work at that stuff. I would not be in a hurry to eat it. The reason I say you have to work at it, you kind of need to let it soften in your mouth before you chew it too much, or it'll stick to your teeth really bad. But it's very yummy and worth the work.
And
It's
you
good.
get a good, like, Laffy Taffy banana flavor in the center.
Way better than that. I hate banana Laffy Taffy. This was good.
Our favorite, we learned about this on Doctor Who, so
Yeah.
any Doctor Who fans know.
Jammy Dodgers.
Jammy
the doctor
Dodgers.
loves Jammy
Yeah.
Dodgers.
And so
If there were jelly babies in here, we'd be over the roof. No,
Exactly.
there's not.
we also got these at World Market, and we love these sandwich cookies. They are amazing, so we're gonna eat one anyway.
Yeah. If you
Because
guys have a World Market in your area, check it out. They've got food and snacks from all over, from many, many countries, and drinks and lots of fun stuff, and they're reasonably priced.
so, we'll get one out, show you what they look like, and I'm telling you people, these are amazing, and then we're gonna just cut it.
How cute are they to start with?
They got the little heart and the little jam in the center, and there's a little bit of cream, so let me cut into
Yeah.
it so
We
y'all
really
can
don't have
see.
to try these, but we just want to. I can tell you
Exactly.
exactly what they taste like.
They're creamy and delicious.
Yes.
Delicious shortbread cookie.
With a bit of jam in the middle.
That jam is delicious with the shortbread. Oh my goodness, people.
It's very similar to a jam thumbprint cookie if you've ever had
But-
one of those.
1,000 times better.
Way better.
Exactly. We did a happy dance.
Yeah, we did. All right, the next thing is an oat bar. I have zero clue what this is.
It looks good.
It does look really good, and it's dense. I can tell just by feeling it, and you can almost see through the package there. That's what it looks like on the inside. So I'm guessing this is similar to an oat milk cookie, an iced oat milk cookie.
Oh, that would be delicious.
Chocolatey coating with raspberry flavor.
Oh,
Let's dig into this one.
this is what it looks like.
And it's got a little design on top. It's really cute.
Cute little design. I'm gonna cut a little bite off for us to share.
We're both gonna give it a try and see what it tastes like.
That was good. You got some oatmeal, some cream. There was almost a date flavor, but I didn't read the direct ingredients, so I don't know. But it was crumbly.
Yeah, it's definitely an oat cookie bar, but not crazy sweet. I honestly only have the teeniest little taste of raspberry in that, but it is really tasty. And it's because it's not overly sweet, the size of it, you could probably get through most of a bar if you were in a hungry mood. Because of the oats, it'll fill you up. So good.
Yeah. So let's see what we have next. This one only because it's colorful, I wanted to see. And it's called Bristow's of Devon Chewy Bonbons, Rhubarb, and Custard.
Ooh.
So that sounds interesting.
Another thing we have not tried before.
Get one out. So,
Oh, they're teensy. I thought they were going to be bigger.
oh, they're little candies.
Are they hard candies? So they're a little hard candy, and they look cute and layered, and we're going to give it a try. Those are really good, and contrary to my popular belief, they are not hard. They're soft like a Starburst. They're just coated on the outside, and when I squished it, it didn't squish, but when you got it in your mouth, you can definitely see it's got the Starburst consistency. It's got the tart flavor, but way better than Starburst. I liked it.
Yeah, it was the tart and sweet, a nice combination.
Okay. The next one is from the same company, and this is a fudge, and this is a clotted cream flavor fudge. And I'm betting this is not actually fudge. This is going to be more of a caramel, but we're going to try it out. These are cute, and they're individually wrapped, and they definitely look like a caramel.
Yep.
The difference is they are probably going to be somewhere between a caramel and a fudge consistency, so less chewy and more kind of
We hope. We'll find
fudgy.
out.
We'll find out.
Those were good.
Mm-hmm.
They were very soft, like definitely like she said, the texture of a cowtail.
I think that's what they're called.
Because it was
Charleston
soft.
chew kind of
Charles-
thing. I don't know.
It
Whatever
was
those
just
things
soft
are.
and melty, and had a bit. You could taste the dairy
Yeah.
in it, and then a little taste almost like brown sugar.
Yeah.
And it was good.
To me, it tasted like a little bit of a buttery flavor, but it might be the brown sugar that she's mentioning, kind of giving me that feel, because I know it's got caramel and you think it's got butter, but really yummy. And I'm glad
Yes.
they're individually wrapped so they won't all stick together.
Yes. Next, it says Millions. And they're a bunch of little teeny tiny pieces, and it says that these are black currant Millions tiny chewy candies that taste just like black currant. So we're gonna open it and pour out a few.
We like black currant jelly, so this should be
Yes.
good. These are cute.
Yeah, they're little tiny like nerds.
I don't know if that's in focus or not, but they're little bitty.
Itty bitty.
Yeah.
Little purple chew things. So we're gonna try some.
Those were really good. I think I had a lot of sweetness in my mouth from the fudge right before that. So it took it a minute for me to realize how tart it is, but it's a really good kind of tart.
Yes.
It's good. What do
It
you
was
think?
very fruity and a bit of sweet from the sugar coating on the
Mhm.
outside, very chewy, and then you get that tartness at the end. So it's really good.
The last item in the box is a Dean's, and this is a butter cookie, and this is an all butter shortbread cookie. And I feel like there's two.
Yummy.
Shortbread cookies are the best. So this is what they look like. Very much like a Walker shortbread cookie, I would say, just
Yeah.
how they look. Those are good. A real shortbread cookie is three
Yes.
ingredients: sugar, butter, and flour. These are 3 ingredients: sugar, butter, and
So
flour.
they are legit.
They're good.
And they are good and buttery and crumbly and delicious. And I'm sorry, there's only 2 in the back.
Yeah, there should be more of those. Those
Yes.
are really good. Wow, this was a great box. There was a lot. I feel like there was
We had a lot of items.
there was a lot of items in here. Like I said, it should have 10 to 12 items. I didn't count, but I definitely feel like we had that many, and they were
Yes.
all yummy.
Yes, I loved them.
I did too. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed going through this box with us and would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And for today, from Beth and Krista, thank you so much for joining us on Beth Unboxes.
Bye.
Bye.